Hey, can you explain yourself? What? You're meant to be going to bed early and having a better routine. What have you just done? No. Look over here. Darcy, what have you done? What have you done? Do you think that is acceptable? Hey? What do you think? Am I cross with you? I think so. Is that what Mummy wants at this time? Hey? And where's Daddy when you need him? Hey? Look at that. What? Are you sorry? Are you sorry? Okay, that's alright. I love you. I love you still. I love you still. Can I have kisses? Kisses for Mummy. Thank you. Okay, let's get ready for bed now, yes? Okay? Okay.